Exempt, making customs simple. Here's how to add your shopping list to your Bahamas Customs C17 declaration form. Step 1. Create or confirm that you have at least one open C17 form on your Exempt mobile app. Step 2. Click on Shopping List from the main menu to view your lists and choose one. Step 3. Select which shopping list you would like to open. Step 4. Select the items off the list that you would like to add to your C17 form. Step 5. Click Add Items to your existing C17 form. Step 6. Select the C17 form number to add the items to. Step 7. Click Add Items to Form. Step 8. Review your C17 form for the items you have added. Step 9. Now that your items have been added and reviewed, you may either submit your C17 form to Customs or pay now. Exempt, making customs simple.